It has been over 2 weeks since the Rwandan President Paul Kagame quietly left the country for medical treatment in Europe, with no official statement released until yesterday, June 23, 2025. Speculation has been rife, with conflicting reports placing him in Germany or Belgium. Sarabina Mashuka Pangwa since our Rwandan military, you confirm Kagame that he is in ICU, intensive care unit. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Social media has been awash with rumors, some even suggesting the West, prompting one central question: where is Paul Kagame? Yesterday, the Rwanda Defense Forces released a public statement confirming with gravity of the situation. In court, President Paul Kagame is currently facing a serious health crisis. We confirm that recent reports regarding his condition are accurate. The president's condition is very unstable at this time, and he remains under intensive medical care by a specialist team. We call all Rwandans and the friends of Rwanda to stay united and to lift up our head of state in their prayers during this critical period. We also encourage the population to remain calm. The institutions of the Republic remain functional, and the RDF stands fully committed to safeguarding peace, order, and national stability. We will continue to provide official updates as appropriate. In one of his most recent reflections shared before his departure, Kagame spoke of his journey from a refugee boy learning under trees to a national leader, describing the lifelong value of education and the sacrifices made for Rwanda's liberation. His words now echo with renewed significance as Rwanda hopes for his recovery. Thomas Kwarubuda pangwa ine pamsoro Paul Kagame arikuonekwa kunzi pangwa ine utano hwake hunenge huri kuti netsei kuno kunzi haazimike Rwanda but arikuenda kune dzimwe nyika aiwa dziri kuEurope kunoseka medical attention. Rekomenda section medu dzimafunguro enyu matikundi pamsoro pechitwechi. Usakanda subscribe or like chotombe bell icon.